President, the ombudsman, the new ombudsman yesterday lifted the restrictions on the release of SALNs to the public.
Finally.
Yes.
Wow! Kung maka-finally naman. Parang hindi naman namin napanood na ng 2022. When you were asked, okay, with Leni Robredo, Yorme, Pinky Lacson, and Manny Pacquiao, if you are willing to release your SALN, it was only you na nagsabing, no! No way! Tapos ngayon, finally, where? Tuloy nga natin. Tuloy natin ang kalokohan ng lolo mong ito, right?
Will you take the lead and allow the release of your SALN and maybe perhaps those of your cabinet members?
We'll follow the new rules. We'll follow the old rules. These old rules were suspended in the last administration, where the SALN was, it was much easier to get a copy of the SALN and to examine it. And I was quite surprised to find out when I first came into office that that was no longer the case, that it was almost impossible, in fact, to get a copy of a people's SALN. And so we are just going back to the old procedure, and we will follow that, whatever happens. Again, my SALN it will be available to whoever would like to kung bigyan hingiin sa.
Okay, so ito na naman tayo sa mangmaangan mo. During PRRD's time, hindi naman bawal na makita ang SALN. Open yan. It was only Ombudsman Martires na mahigpit when it comes to SALN ng isang politician. Because of what happened to late Justice Chief Corona, ginamit yung SALN niya against him na dumating sa punto na napatalsik siya sa pwesto niya nang dahil sa ginamit nila yung SALN na ang mga supporting documents sa ginamit naman is fake, not true. Come on. Stop lying. Okay, stop lying. If you really want to release or to show us your SALN, so be it. Show us. Ganun lang yan. Right, tuloy natin.
Ang bibigay namin.
And will you enjoin your cabinet to do the same?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, kung maka-yes, of course. Diba? Kung maka-yes, of course ka. Parang kailan lang Parang last week lang yata. Sinabi ng kumari ko, yung PCOA spokesperson mo, pinag-aaralan nyo pa raw kung i-release voluntarily ang SALN mo at saka ng mga sekretary mo. You know, that's a problem with you Paiba-iba kayo ng statement. Palibasa kasi, puro pagsisinungaling ang ginagawa nyo. Yes, finally. Yes, of course. But according to Kumari, pinagbimitingan nyo pa raw. Ano ba talaga, kuya? At ito pa bukod kay Kumare, merong press release itong si E.S. Bersamin. So, tingnan natin kung ang sinabi ni Bersamin ay tumutugma sa sinabi mong, yes, of course. Willing kayong lahat na ipakita ang SALN nyo. Alright, basahin natin ito. Show automatic on the side. Alright. In the news, Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin said on Saturday, okay, Saturday, that was kahapon, right? Yesterday, ulitin ko, Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin said on Saturday that requests for the Statement of Assets, Liabilities, and Network or SALN of public officials, including President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., should be granted only for legitimate purposes and not be used for political attacks. So, katulad nung panahon ni PRRD, okay? Panahon ito ni Ombudsman Martires, same din pala. Akala ko ba ang SALN mo ay parang karinderya na bukas sa lahat ng gustong kumain? Pero ngayon, meron kayong paganyang statement. But let us make things clear. Alright, nakalagay kasi dito, no? Alright, SALN of public officials, including the president, should be granted only for the legitimate purposes and not be used for political attacks. Since applicable ito kay President Bongbong Marcos Jr., hindi ba marapat-dapat na applicable ito sa Vice President? Because remember, Vice President is the second highest official of the land. Pareho silang binoto ng taong bayan. Meron bang rules na para lang sa Presidente pero para sa Vice President, hindi pwede? Okay. So, if the SALN, including the President, should be granted only for legitimate purposes and not be used for political attacks, I think dapat malinaw na ito ay applicable din sa Vice President. Basta-basta pwedeng kuhain ang SALN ng Vice President. Okay? It should be granted only for legitimate purposes and not to be used for political attack. So, kailangan malinaw yan. Alright? Kung ang SALN should not be used for political attacks para sa Presidente, dapat ganun din sa Vice President. Alright? Kaloka. Sige na nga, mua.